Ken from Alliance bringing you a sweet message. Sweet, S-U-I-T-E, sustainable, unique, innovative, timely, economical. Today I want to talk about the machine in front of me. It's a conveyorized belt washer, which I showed you a video about a month ago. It was actually two separate machines that came back from the field. It formerly was used for cleaning compression springs. This machine, or two machines I should say, cleaned millions and millions of compression springs. Now it's getting ready to go out to a new customer. So we've gone through the machine very thoroughly. I'm just going to do a quick walk around here. And as I go around the back side of the machine, you'll see that this machine actually has two control panels. It was two separate machines. It was of our AquaMaster line, which is a modular design. So we were able to actually marry the two machines together into one. Again, this is part of our 3R program: recondition, retool, reuse. So you can see now we've put new pumps on the machine, new filter chambers, cleaned everything up very nicely, and getting it ready for many, many years of continued service. On the interior of the machine, we put a new belt, new sprockets, new spray pipes, new spray nozzles, new air hose. Completely rebuilt through and through. Just another one of the sweet things going on here at Alliance. For any of your parts cleaning needs, please give us a call and have a sweet day. Thank you.